Hi guys, today's video we are going to check out the 5 best cash register machine. A cash register machine is a device used in businesses to calculate and record transactions. It typically consists of several key components designed for efficient sales processing, making it easier to handle payments, calculate totals, and print receipts. The oldest type, these machines are purely mechanical and rely on physical buttons to calculate transactions. These are more advanced and use digital components to process transactions, store data, and sometimes connect to other business systems. These are sophisticated and include a combination of hardware cash drawer, scanner, receipt printer, and software inventory management, sales tracking. POS systems often provide more functionality and can integrate with accounting software and customer relationship management systems. So let's find out.
At number 5. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 4. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want more information about this product, please check description box link below. At number 3. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. At number 2. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. At number 1. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want to buy this product, please check description box. Thanks for watching and see you again for new videos.